Hello friends. In today's video, I am going to introduce yellows of Camel Artist watercolor. There are three types of yellow hues in this 12 color Artist Camel watercolor set. These are lemon yellow, yellow ochre, gamboge hue. I am showing them using fiber made brush. The brush I dip fully in water and soak extra color by a cotton fabric. I am showing the color from deep tone to lighter. Lemon yellow is too vibrant compared with any other yellows. Yellow ochre is more of brown tone yellow. Gamboge hue is also vibrant yellow. Generally, this color is known as golden yellow. While you are making a watercolor, always set the paper slanted, and if the water is getting excess, let the water collected totally downward in that position. So this is an end. In next video, I will bring another tutorial. Stay well. Bye.